Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 3 and I'm gonna show you how to download or install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now I recommend to download and install the Garmin, or rather Connect IQ Store application on your phone, on the phone that is paired with your watch, because it's gonna make installation of applications a lot easier. To do it, we need to open the App Store. Before that though, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your phone. I'm gonna use the Google Play Store because I'm using Android phone, but if you're using an iPhone, you can also find that application in the iPhone App Store. So open the App Store, tap on search, and type in Connect IQ Store. And once you type it in, tap on search, scroll through the list and find this application, Connect IQ Store by Garmin, with this icon. Find it, tap on the install button to download and install it. Once the application is done installing, tap on the open button to open it. In the app, tap on welcome, then tap on continue, check the box, tap next, and you should see the, oh, never mind. If you see the pop-up about the permissions, tap on allow, and now you should see the IQ Store after a second or two. You have different categories of watch faces and apps, as you can see. I'm just gonna tap on search and select the apps category to narrow my search only to apps. And now I can scroll through the list, find the application I want to install. And once you find the app you want to install, simply tap on it. I don't know, maybe this one. So tap on the app, then tap on the install button and wait. It's gonna start downloading. Basically now it's in queue, but after it's done downloading and installing, you will see this pop up on the screen. Then you can tap on got it. You will see the uninstall button, which means that the app is installed because you can uninstall it. If you go to your watch and I believe press the action button to open the activities, then you can select apps, and here you can scroll down and you should see your application right here. You can tap on the icon to open it, as you can see. Okay, you can also check the list of installed apps in the Connect IQ Store. So you can go back to the main page, then tap on my device, tap on my device apps, and here you will see the list of apps installed on your watch. Okay, and that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.